Now let's talk about the contribution of Confucius not only to the ancient world but to the modern world. There are many people in the Western world, many political scientists, many philosophers, many economists who are claiming that the rise of modern China and the economic development in modern China could not happen without the Confucian ethics. And this book, which was published in 2003, its title is Confucianism for the Modern World, basically talks about the Confucian values and the teachings of Confucius for the societies, for organizing a society, for undertaking development in a society, and for creating order and harmony in a society. So this book is also very important source of ideas, and it can really help societies like Pakistan and India and many other societies in Latin America to adopt values from the ideas of Confucius to lead their societies to development and progress and harmony. Now, this book, which is published in 2013, this is about Confucian perfectionism, and this has very important ideas on the role of Confucian ideas into creating harmony, discipline, and strong work ethic among the people. And if we can adopt some of the ideas or some of the insights provided by Confucius, we can certainly strengthen not only our public policies related to work, but related to social security, related to education, and related to social harmony. And the Confucius ideas are certainly very important for organizing a society. Now this book, Phronesis as Professional Knowledge, this was published in 2012. This is basically a response to the failure of many research methods and many research skills of modern times. The idea of phronesis comes from Aristotle himself, and it means practical wisdom. And phronesis is a way of problem solving. And in modern societies, we face many problems which need practical wisdom, and we also face many problems which cannot wait for a systematic research to be conducted to get solved. So it is very important that policymakers and public policy students can learn about practical wisdom, and this also comes from Aristotle. This book, Making Social Science Matter, and this book, Making Political Science Matter, these two books are very important methodological books, and all public policy students must read them. And they develop Aristotle's idea of phronesis to solve the problems in research and to generate knowledge which is useful and which is relevant and which can solve the problems we face in everyday lives. And this book again, Real Social Science, this also learns from Aristotle's idea of phronesis, and this helps public policy students to conduct research in such a way that its findings are useful and applicable for society. And now let's talk about this last book, The Social Relevance of Philosophy. This is very important book for the students of public policy. This was published in 2005. This is important because many people claim that philosophy is not relevant to solve practical problems of our society, but this book responds to those claims and suggests many ways through which philosophy can be used to solve practical problems of everyday life.